Sage 300 CRE allows you to track insurance certificates on two different levels, the AP vendor record level and the JC commitment record level. But both start at the vendor level with the vendor setup. I have a test vendor set up here, and I'm going to scroll over to the Insurance Compliance tab. Click on Insurance Certificates. You notice that you have 6 choices. The first 4 are preset, and the last 2 are Custom 1 and Custom 2. We have Custom 1 as an insurance, professional liability insurance. Now, if this vendor was just going to be a general vendor, but I wanted to track insurance for him for some reason, I would just fill in all the insurance information I want to track at this level. So I'd fill in all the information I had available. I would probably check off the proof required. If I didn't need one, like maybe professional liability for this person, I would click override so I would know I didn't need it. And then I would click OK and save it. But say this was a subcontractor and I need to track it on each commitment the subcontractor was on, I would then use this require per commitment checkbox. And I always check all the ones I'm tracking because I don't know which sub will need what kind of insurance at different times. So I just check that all off and I click OK. And I'll save this vendor and close the vendor out. And I'm going to open up a JC commit window and just set up a quick test commitment. And I'll use my test vendor. And if I go to the insurance tab on the commitment record, you notice now that the required field is all pre-filled for all of these insurances. And I could turn them off and on as I needed per the job the vendor is required. Now, just because you check this and you have these required in the commitment level, you can still enter insurance in the vendor level. I personally don't recommend it. I personally recommend you either track it on the commitment level or the AP vendor record level because it could get confusing with what's you need for your jobs. But that's pretty much it for how to track insurance certificates. You have all the reporting options with Crystal reports, regular Sage reports, and obviously ODBC and Office Connector. Thank you for your attention. Remember to log on to TUG Web to see what other webinars and tips and tricks, and check out the Pulse newsletter for all the great articles on using Sage software. Thank you.